How could the rise of electric buses impact our planet's health? Well, let's embark on a journey to explore the world of electric buses. These are not just your regular buses, but a symbol of a cleaner, quieter, and more sustainable future. As they make their way into our cities, their popularity is growing exponentially. Now let's consider the environmental implications of this shift. Traditional buses with their diesel engines are notorious for their carbon emissions and noise pollution. Compare that with electric buses, which are virtually silent and emit zero tailpipe emissions. It's a drastic reduction that significantly eases the burden we place on our environment. Imagine a world where your morning commute is not just free from the smell of exhaust, but also contributes to a cleaner, greener planet. As we delve deeper into the world of electric buses, we'll discover how this shift in public transport is not just a revolution in technology, but also a significant step towards saving our environment. How do traditional buses and electric buses compare when it comes to their wheels and speed? Let's take a moment to delve into this question. On the surface, the wheels of a traditional bus and an electric bus might seem identical. They're both round, rubbery, and roll down the road. But if we dig a bit deeper, we realize there's more to the story. The wheels of an electric bus come equipped with a technology known as regenerative braking. This system captures and converts the kinetic energy lost during braking back into electricity, which is then fed back into the battery. In contrast, a traditional bus simply dissipates this energy as heat and noise. So, while the wheels of both buses get them from point A to point B, the wheels of an electric bus do so much more efficiently. Now let's shift gears and talk about speed. Speed is a critical factor for any vehicle, and buses are no exception. However, electric buses aren't typically built for speed, but rather for efficiency and sustainability. Their speed is affected by several factors, including the size and weight of the battery. A heavier battery can reduce the overall speed of the bus, but it also allows for a greater range. Most electric buses have a top speed of about 60 to 70 miles per hour, which is comparable to that of traditional buses. But it's not all about raw speed. Electric buses provide smoother acceleration and deceleration, making for a more comfortable ride. They're also quieter, contributing to a more pleasant journey for passengers and a reduction in noise pollution. The speed of technological advancements in electric buses is also worth noting. These buses are becoming faster, more efficient, and more capable every year. They're evolving at a pace that traditional buses simply can't match. While electric buses may not be setting speed records, their efficient use of energy and reduced environmental impact make them a winner in the long run. Have you ever wondered about the fastest electric bus in the world? Well, wonder no more, because that title currently goes to the Proterra Catalyst E2 Max. This isn't your average electric bus. It's a speed demon on wheels, boasting an impressive top speed. But it's not all about speed. This electric bus also shines when it comes to range, thanks to its innovative battery technology, the Proterra Catalyst. E2 Max doesn't just transport passengers from one point to another, it does so without leaving a trail of carbon emissions behind. This is all due to its advanced electric drivetrain, which not only ensures a smooth and quiet ride, but also contributes to its impressive performance. But what makes this bus stand out is its top speed. It's not often you hear about a bus that can outpace some cars on the road. The Proterra Catalyst. E2 Max is indeed a testament to the incredible progress in electric bus technology. So, what does the future hold for electric buses? As we gaze into the crystal ball of technological advancement, the future of electric buses seems not only promising but also revolutionary. The driving forces behind this revolution? Advancements in battery technology, autonomous driving, and wireless charging. Let's start with battery technology. The batteries that power today's electric buses are already impressive, but they're continually improving. Lithium-ion batteries, the gold standard for electric vehicles, have seen a significant increase in energy density over the last decade. What this means is that, in the future, electric buses will have a longer range and shorter charging times. Picture this: a bus that can travel across an entire city on a single charge, recharging only during off-peak hours. Next up, autonomous driving. As self-driving technology becomes more sophisticated and reliable, it's not hard to envision a future where electric buses operate without a human driver. This doesn't just mean cost savings by eliminating the need for drivers, it also means improved safety. Autonomous vehicles don't get tired, distracted, or impatient. They follow the rules of the road to the letter, making them potentially safer than human drivers. Now, let's talk about wireless charging. Imagine electric buses that can charge while on the move, drawing power from charging strips embedded in the road. It may sound like science fiction, but this technology is already being tested. This means buses could run 24/7 without needing to stop for charging. Finally, let's consider the potential for electric buses to become the global standard in public transport. With zero tailpipe emissions, electric buses are a key solution in the fight against climate change. As more cities aim to become carbon neutral, the adoption of electric buses will undoubtedly accelerate. The future of electric buses is bright, and as technology advances, we can expect them to become even more efficient, sustainable, and prevalent. As we move towards a greener, more sustainable future, electric buses will play a pivotal role. So, buckle up and enjoy the ride. Let's summarize what we've learned about the world of electric buses. These magnificent machines are paving the way for a cleaner, greener future. They're not just buses, they're a testament to human ingenuity and our commitment to combating climate change. From the humble wheel to the impressive speeds they can achieve, electric buses are a marvel of modern engineering. With the fastest electric bus clocking in at an impressive speed, it's clear that these vehicles aren't compromising performance for sustainability. But the electric bus revolution doesn't end here. We've peeked into the future, and it's looking bright. With continuous advancements in battery technology and design, these buses are set to become even more efficient, faster, and more widespread. As we've seen, the electric bus revolution is not just changing the face of public transport, but also making significant strides in our global efforts to fight climate change.